As Antalya is becoming more and more popular for people to stay short and long term, we thought we would show you what a typical rental apartment in the Konilti area of Antalya looks like. So here is a tour of our apartment, which we rented furnished in the Horma neighborhood, which is one of the most popular ones in the city. The apartment consists of a big kitchen and living room area, a bathroom and 2 bedrooms, 1 master bedroom and a smaller one which is suitable for a child or as a guest room. We also have a nice entrance area and 2 balconies. When we decided to rent in Antalya, we were lucky enough to have friends helping us find an apartment. So we checked Sahibinden for open listings and filtered them by the must-haves for our rental apartment. Then we made appointments with the owner or real estate agent to see them. If you look up rentals on sahibinden.com, you can easily search apartment listings, for example by location, maximum monthly rental price, energy source, or whether you are looking for a furnished or unfurnished place. One quick tip: if you add a filter to list only the apartments that are rented out by the owner directly, you can save the commission, which equals the price of 1 month rent and which you will have to pay to the real estate agency if you rent via them. Also, Sahibinden is an easy way to search for an apartment if you do not speak Turkish. However, we also spent 2 days or so driving around the different neighborhoods in Antalya where we wanted to rent, and checking for open places. This might sound weird to some foreigners, but it is actually a highly efficient way to find an apartment, as those which are up for rent or sale are often clearly marked with banners on the balconies or outside the buildings. On these banners you will find the real estate agent's name, or contact person, who is in charge of finding a tenant, and their phone number. Again, it might be easier to choose this way of searching if you speak some basic Turkish or you have somebody who can help you with the calls. The advantage is that you see the site already, at least from the outside, and you can check if this is something you would consider. We personally thought that was the easiest and quickest way in finding available property, because you can simply call the number and ask about the specifics of the apartment in question. So how did we finally find our apartment for rent? Well, we actually went into a real estate office and asked whether they had anything available, and surprisingly they said yes and showed us this apartment. Most real estate agencies in Antalya have at least one staff member who speaks a foreign language, such as Russian, Persian, or English. When you look for a real estate agent, you can often see that they advertise in different languages outside their office, so this can be helpful to find an agent you can communicate with and set up some viewings in case you don't speak Turkish. We rented the apartment in early 2022, and the price is 5,000 lira per month. In the meantime, due to several reasons, the prices have gone up quite a bit throughout many cities in Turkey, and especially in Antalya. So now the typical rent will most likely be more expensive. But to get an idea about prices, we would definitely recommend having a look at the Sahibinden website. Did we mention that the apartment complex also has an outdoor pool, which is open during the hot summer month? We hope you enjoyed this little apartment tour in Antalya, and hope to see you in the next video.